guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. This evening I'm going to make a sweet dream tea for you guys. Here are my ingredients. This is ashwagandha. The ashwagandha and the blue vervain, you guys already saw that in my past videos. And you guys know chamomile, this is chamomile, and lavender, and skullcap with some passion flower. The skullcap treats insomnia, here it is, and calms the nervous system. It boosts your liver, heart, improves your heart, and reduces inflammation. It's also good for weight loss. And you guys already know lavender. Lavender promotes relaxation. It also cures insomnia, treats tired muscles, and it gives you a healthy heart, and it cures many diseases in the body. And then here is my passion flower. Guys, you can get the passion flower herbs itself. I'm using drops. And this is for insomnia, anxiety, high blood pressure, depression, menopause, menstrual discomfort. And it's actually good for chronic depression. So guys, you can do your researches on all my herbs that you see I use in my kitchen, and see that there are many other health benefits, and sometimes they also have side effects. So do your researches on your herbs and blend them together. So today I'm gonna make a quick deep sleep tea, sweet dreams for you guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, we're going to need 1 vervain tea bag, 2 cups of hot boiling water, skullcap, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon lavender, and this is about a tablespoon of chamomile, half a tablespoon of ashwagandha, and this is going to be a full tincture of passion flower. If you were using the leaves, you would need 1 teaspoon. So there's your tea, guys. I'm gonna let it sit and steam for like 5 minutes. But the longer you steam it, is the more stronger you get it. All right. So guys, I hope you enjoy my sweet dreams. Please remember all the health benefits when you're having it, and have a good night rest. All right. Before we go, let me tell you my scripture of the day and my motivation of the day. My scripture of the day is coming from Psalms 100, verse 5. For the Lord is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endured to all generations. I know a lot of you guys know that Psalms. And my motivation message from Fergie's Kitchen to you today is coming from Mother Teresa. If you keep judging people, you have no time to love them. All right, guys? Stop judging and start loving. Thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys. Bye-bye.